This is our old Maytag washing machine. This one is still working, but we decided to buy a new one. So we used this for a long time. So it's 11 years right now, but still this one is working. So we buy a new one. So I'm gonna show it to you what's the difference between that. Here there's water level, temperature, normal. It has the same thing. Okay, Maytag. Hello guys, this is our new washing machine. This is my review. Maytag. We've been using this for 10 years now. The old one that I showed it to you, and this we buy a new one. So that's why we buy a new one, because the old one's still working, but it's kind of dirty inside. So this one, it has light, medium, heavy, extra heavy sort level for washing. So if you see this, the new one, you can see it inside. Unlike the other one, you cannot see it. And you can put hot, cold, cool, warm, hot water, and this deep wash. And we just put it the normal bulky sheets. If you want to, if you put the sheets in there, and this pretty much good, because this is really a good quality. I recommend, and it has a 10-year limited parts warranty. And so it has also, if you want to cancel it or pulse it, to hold cancel the washing. So you can see it now. And extra rinse, you can put extra rinse if you want, so it can rinse it properly. And fabric softener, see how it works. And you can see inside. This one. This video. This Maytag is really good quality. I recommend you to use it, because we've been using this for a decade now. It's really good quality. I hope you like the video about reviews of this Maytag washing machine. Thank you for watching.